Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, FWD, remote trunk release, navigation system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.